Here's an introduction to Zoho University, an interesting experiment that we at Zoho have evolved over the past 4 years. Founded in 1996, Zoho Corporation serves a diverse range of enterprise IT, networking, and telecom customers. Our products and solutions span a really wide spectrum. But all along, we have been the underdogs faced with large multinational Goliaths. And we have had to come up with our own innovations to become the leader and retain the leadership in these competitive markets. I would like to tell you one particular secret sauce that has made all this possible for us at Zoho. Back then in 2004, we were faced with a unique problem. Our HR manager couldn't source the high quality talent we were looking for. Our product managers were forced to spend a lot of time in training fresh college recruits, and our employees soon realized that what they had learned at college was nearly irrelevant to what they were doing at work here. It was pretty obvious we needed to think differently, so we decided to start an experiment. We wanted to provide a meaningful alternative that rose above the limitations of a typical college education. We wanted to tap into the abundantly rich talent pool that was usually ignored just because their marks were poor, they didn't have a specific degree, or their English was bad. We wanted to empower India's youth and demonstrate that given the right exposure and opportunity, anybody, anywhere can shine brilliantly. And thus was born Zoho University. At Zoho University, we tour the countryside, visiting schools, conducting exams and interviews, spotting talent right out of higher secondary schools. Once they join up, classes begin early in the morning with interactive lab sessions interspersed with ample time for self-learning. English is taught from newspapers, communication skills by watching movies, programming by decompiling open source toolkits. Everything is practical and hands-on. Collaboration is encouraged, in fact mandated. Each student gets a computer for herself and a free 24/7 access to the internet. Not to mention free lunch, snacks, late night dinner, anytime coffee, and a monthly stipend. At the end of 9 months, they get placed into teams as apprentices, and 9 more months from then, they get employed full-time at Zoho. Last month, we finished the recruitment for our 18th batch of students. We already boast of 100 students and alumni, comprising nearly a tenth of our Zoho workforce. And what's more important, the HR folk, the product managers, and the employees, we see them all so much happier now.